You can see it comes in a very nice box. Very well put together, high quality. Brass hinges on the back. You can tell there's definitely attention to detail with the products. Inside we have gold covering. Actually, everything is packed in here very neatly, very securely. So there's no worry about shipping damage. We got a big tin of their soap. Creates a very good lather. Some strut paste. Got the strut. Denim on the back. Other front. A clip here on the end. Shaving kit without a brush. Nice looking razor. I don't know if you can see in this light, but we have gold paint right across the top here. Get a good view. That's a very thick tang there. Very nice razor. Again, very happy with the product. High quality, everything packaged neatly. Very sturdy box again. Very decorative. See if you can take a quick look at those hinges. Nice hinge design there. So I have no problem putting this on my bathroom counter. Keeping everything packaged up nice and neat. So there you have it. Naked Armor, you've done a great job.